Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes how to add Yahoo email account to Windows 10 Mail app. Log in with your Yahoo Mail account. Select your account name, click Account Info. Click Account Security. Click Generate App Password. Select Outlook Desktop. Click Generate. Click Settings. Click Manage Accounts. Click Add Account. Click Other Account. Type email address, display name and password. Copy password. Simply paste code. Click Sign In. Select your Yahoo Mail under Accounts. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.